Our judges will give some comments on your performance.
English!
Thank you. So we'll start with Tito Latore. So Tito, what can you say about his performance?
Well, one of my favorite bands is The Creed. So, it suits you. There are a few notes na hindi tumama. There at the end kasi, you actually change the tone of the music, which fits you very much. Very, very good.
And Anthony, Clint Anthony.
Kaya para sa akin, gabi mo to pare. Kasi mahirap iakyat yung energy, especially pag first contestant ka. So ang hirap iakyat yung level ng sarili mo. But na-carry mo yung song, at especially the song fits your voice. May konti ka lang, hindi ka lang masyado na ni-nervous ka ng konti. The blues, especially yung live. Sa contest, bawal talagang gumawa yung wife. For me, you're in.
Miss Nadine Fornier.
Okay, smile muna ako sa camera. Okay. In case hindi mo alam, I'm a graduate of Conservatory of Music.
Patay ka!
Minor in Theology. Nice choice of song. Pero hindi ko sinasabing carry mo. Carry mo naman. Siguro ang hindi ko lang gusto, yung paghawak mo ng mic. Ayun. What's up with that? Yun lang. But it's gonna be a tough act to follow. So, sa mga susunod, bear in mind na hindi ako into ballads. So, I'm a rockista.
Magaling magsasanggalize. Tito said, very, very good performance, Ron. He said, this is your day. And Nadine said, carry more. So, but we have one question. Why you should be our first golden idol?
Sacrifice itself.